Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Showstar Auto. In this video today, I'm gonna address a shift solenoid on a Pilot 2006. I already changed the part. I used another part for the pick and pull to see how the car performs. So I went ahead already. I already started already. I changed everything already. I'm gonna go inside of the vehicle to test the transmission. So the car didn't move, none of that. So brake back, reverse, moving, D, going forward. Oh, probably we're doing so well. We're moving. I haven't put the computer to delete that code yet, so I'm just gonna address it. I'm gonna drive it off to see if the car is taking the gears properly. So I got the car running at least for around 2 minutes already. I'm gonna let the transmission heat up a little bit more to see if it's still jumping or flipping or doing this type of stuff. I did another video. It's gonna be down in the description below. So I already put that one in. It's nice and awesome. So let's see what happens now. I gotta remove my car to move it in the back so I can proceed and try this transmission to see how it goes. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Showstar Auto, let's go. My sister's gonna be so happy because she'll be dealing. she was riding, my nephew be riding to work and stuff like that with her car, and she's like, Chris, come on, when you gonna fix my vehicle? So I'm here ready, safe as is, awesome how it is. I'm gonna test the car right now to see how it goes. Like, subscribe, ring that bell for more notifications like that. Let's go, guys. Thank you for watching Showstar Auto. Let's go.